Hello and welcome to our Rescue Experience Center. My name is Marine Verwij and I'm the rescue consultant for Holmatro. Today I'm going to demonstrate the brand new T1 forcible entry tool. The T1 is the all-in-one tool that can cut, wedge, ram, spread, hammer and lift. With the multifunctional T1 you always have the right tool for the job that saves weight and space in your vehicle. Normally you need at least 2 people or tools to breach a heavy inwards opening door. With the T1 you use a detachable wedge to make the first gap. After that you use the spreading tips to breach the door. The high power transmission of the tool saves you energy and breathing air. If a last push is needed, you can use the hammerhead of the tool. For lighter doors, the tool can also be used as a battering ram. With its weight of 7.5 kilograms, it's light enough to carry and heavy enough to do the job. Next to breaching doors, the T1 can also be used as a special materials cutter. The patented hydraulic cutting spreading mechanism means cutting and spreading is done in the same motion. This allows for a compact tool design. The T1 can cut up to 18 mm of round bar. It can easily cut rebar, chain and padlock. After extensive use, the blades can easily be replaced. The load holding function makes the tool suitable for lifting heavy materials, such as concrete slabs or a container. The maximum spreading force of the tool is 32.85 kN. In this video, I've shown you how the T1 can break all barriers. Contact your Holmatro dealer for a demonstration of this tool. And subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos. See you next time. Bye bye.